Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW X1 lights. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is off and cool. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from gathering your tools to testing the new light. It's a straightforward task that you can easily complete yourself, saving time and money. Before you begin, gather your essential tools. You will need a T20 torque screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb, typically an H7 for the low beam. Always wear protective gloves to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the new bulb. For maximum safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. Now, let's get to the actual replacement. Locate the access panel behind the headlight assembly. Use your T20 torque screwdriver to remove the 3 screws holding it in place. Once the panel is off, gently twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release it. Carefully pull out the old bulb and insert the new one, ensuring you do not touch the glass part. After installing the new bulb, reattach the access panel and reconnect your car's battery. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Check the beam pattern to ensure it's properly aimed and secure. This simple check ensures your visibility and safety on the road. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.